All right, now it's time to talk about the matrix. Well, actually, the matrix is something like the list, but it is sometimes called array or multi-dimensional array or something like that. Because some programming languages like the C++ or C Sharp, or I think Java itself also use the concept or the term array, not list. Okay, but anyway, they are the same sometimes in a lot of use cases or a lot of things. Just naming, nothing, no big deal. Okay, so let's put this matrix to create it. Now I open a bracket, square brackets, but this time I will put a bracket like this. So put this and put this, and let's put this, okay, as well. Now I know you may get confused, but follow me for now and I will explain everything in detail. So 1, 2, 3, and here put 4, 5, 6, and here put 7, 8, 9. All right, okay. Now I want to print some values from here, right? Yes, this is what I'm all about. So print using the print function. Now I will use the name matrix. So far so good, right? Nothing new. Now this is the new things that have been added here, which is using two brackets, two square brackets. Now actually it's very simple. Just imagine with me. Now this is the first line, this is the second line, and this is the third line. Do you get it well or not? Yeah, actually you are right. This is 0, and this is 1, and this is 2. Okay, now inside 0, which is this one, we have 0, 1, 2. Okay, I mean as an index, I mean, don't get confused between the numbers. So actually it's better to use A, B, C. Yeah, actually like these. So I want from the first line, which is 0, okay, the first sequence or the first list, which is 0, I want B, okay, so which is 0, 1. So I will put 1. So this will print the B character. Let's check this out. From here, you can see that A is not defined. All right. Do you know why this happened? Yeah, because actually I put it as array, as a variable, actually not as a values. So I need to provide the single quotation or the double quotation, by the way, because I want it to be as a character, not as a variable. So if I don't put that, actually it will be considered as a variable. And actually it is good that happened, and we saw that by practice that we need to be careful here. Okay, all right, now let's check what will happen. Let's clear the screen first, and Python here you can see that we print B, and this is the same thing if you want to print A. So for example, you want to print B and C, so you will put here colon like this, and you want it C, so 0, 1, 2, so it will be 3. Why? Because 3 minus 1 equal 2, which is 0, 1, 2. So B and C, this will print B and C. Let's check this out actually. Yeah, you can see that it is now B and C. Well, actually the matrix and the use cases is very complex subject. So actually you can use that for the screen pixels or using image processing and a lot of things actually, deep learning and AI. But in this course, we don't need to handle that in details, because after all, we are writing an ethical hacking tools, okay? Not and something for AI or data science, okay? Thanks for watching.